Hey guys! Welcome back! And meron na naman tayong bagong budol. And this is the Realme C11 2021 edition. So this is the latest budget meal of the Realme. Hindi pa siya officially released pero i-unbox natin para sa inyo para makita ninyo yung physical appearance ng phone, pati yung color and design. And this phone has 5000 mAh massive battery, powerful octa-core processor, tapos 6.5 mini drop full screen. And this is 2GB of ROM and 32GB of internal memory. And updated na siya ng latest software na Android 11. And the color is iron gray. So open na natin. So ito pala yung box. Realme logo. Ano sa sides? Realme C11 2021. Ito rin. And yung box niya pala is sleeve type ba? Tama. Push natin out. Here it is. Hey! Welcome to Realme family. Inside is the SIM ejector pin as usual. Nandito siya. The papers. So here's the phone. Set aside natin. And of course, here's the charger. Small ha. And then micro USB charger. Kala ko Type-C no, sa year 2021, micro USB pa rin. Anyway, expected natin yan pag budget meal ng phone natin. Let's see kung okay naman yung performance ng phone natin and the appearance also. Tabi muna natin to. Let's set aside the phone. So here it is. It is color iron gray. Realme. So there's no free screen protector and wala rin free jelly case, as you can see here. Sa likod, we only have one camera, which is 8 megapixel, and then one front camera. Ito. Sa side niya, nandito yung power button, volume control. Under the phone is the headphone jack, the mic, and the charging port. Okay, so on the left side, nandito yung SIM card tray. So, we can have 2 SIM cards and 1 memory card dito. Okay. So here's the NTC sticker. Tanggalin natin. Tanggalin natin muna. Babalik natin pag kailangan na natin ang sticker. So here's the Realme. Then medyo smooth siya. Hindi rin siya matakaw sa fingerprint and smudges. And we have one camera here, which is 8 megapixel only, and the flash. And if you notice here, masyadong maliit, nakasulat siya AI camera. May design siya dito. Then may below. Para makita mo or maisip mo na dual cam siya or 4 na camera. Pero hindi. One flash and one camera lens. So of course, pag budget yung phone, hindi tayo mag-expect na masyadong maganda yung specs nila ha. So very basic lang. Ang front camera is 5 megapixels. So the screen size of the phone is 6.5 inches with the drop notch. Ito. And of course, it is already run by OS Android 11 and with powerful octa-core processor. So, ito lang yung phone. Basic lang siya. Tingnan natin kung maganda na siya panurin yung YouTube. Kasi usually, pag meron akong extra phone, tas alam ko magbababad ako manood ng YouTube sa phone or Netflix, gumagamit ako ng ibang phone, hindi yung primary phone ko. Kasi pag ginamit ko yung primary phone ko, manonood ka ng YouTube, tapos at the same time, i-exit mo ulit or magsa-switch windows ka para mag-browse ka ng FB or pag may magme-message sa'yo na friends mo or sa office. So, medyo mali-disturb ka. So, at least, meron ka separate phone or device na pang-nood ng YouTube. So, ito siya, oh. Ang ganda naman pala. Maganda pala siya, oh, pang-nood, no? So what's the reason for you to buy this phone? Unang-una, mura lang siya. It's around 4,990 pesos. And pangalawa, maganda siya pangnood ng YouTube and other videos on this phone. You can use this as your secondary phone. Please expect na this is not a gaming phone. You can play some basic game like Candy Crush, Bejeweled, yung mga ganun mga puzzle games. Okay itong phone. And of course, pwede rin siya pang Waze. Pero as for the design, medyo lumang style na yung design niya. Dito pa rin yung square niya. And medyo disappointing kasi isa lang yung camera niya. Unlike the 2020 version, it has 2 cameras. Ito isa lang. So guys, that's it muna for today. Pero tanong ko lang sa inyo, if meron kayong budget na around 5,000 pesos and you need a phone, will you buy this kind of phone? Would you buy this Realme C11 2021 version? Please comment your answers below. So guys, thank you again for watching and see you next time. Bye!